crowd, my solitary parade. Shame holds my hand as surrounding faces start to fade. We all walk in unison, chained by despair. Footstep after footstep, and yet going nowhere. Never asking directions, at least never out loud. So I just keep on walking, bending back with the crowd. And into the darkness of self-induced pain, finding my way by tapping my cane. Come on. Me and my solitary parade. Me and my solitary parade. Wandering for hours, searching for my guide, I closed my eyes and looked deep down inside. With these severed handcuffs now left behind, I may now travel on my own, no longer blind. Me and my solitary parade. Me and my solitary parade. For I found the error of my ways, thinking that walking with shame was better than walking alone.